What's up guys, Alec here, and today I'm going to be talking about why you need to pick a niche on Instagram. First of all, I just want to say thank you to everyone who's sending me a DM on Instagram. I will get back to you as soon as possible. So the other day on Instagram, I got a DM from someone asking me if they needed to pick a niche, so I thought I would make this video. So if you're serious about growing on Instagram, you really need a niche. If you don't know what a niche is, it's basically the type of content you're going to be posting and sharing on Instagram. Your niche is going to be the topic that you provide value around on your Instagram, and you need a niche to grow on Instagram and any other social media platform for that matter. A very popular example is the travel niche. Just like myself, you probably follow a few travel pages and travel bloggers on Instagram. Now these bloggers are constantly sharing amazing pictures and videos of the destinations they've been to, and this is the reason why you're following them. You're following them because you expect to see the same type of amazing travel content. But if all of a sudden this travel blogger started posting a load of content about all the clothes they've just bought and a load of different fashion photos, you would probably unfollow them because you wouldn't be interested in that content. That's not the reason why you're following that person. Now, if you're on Instagram just for fun to share pictures with friends and family, of course you're not going to need a niche. But if you're looking to grow a following, you have to pick a niche and stick with it on Instagram. So first of all, to choose a niche, think about all the things you like doing in real life. If you like travel, if you like music, if you like a specific kind of sport, all of these things can be your niche. Now obviously you don't have to choose just one of these hobbies as your niche, but the more specific you are, the easier it is to grow on Instagram in my opinion. Once you have your specific niche, it becomes a lot easier to grow on Instagram. The reason being is that if you're a skateboarder on Instagram, you're going to engage with other skateboarders and get other skateboarders interested in your content. When you can tell that your page is about a specific niche, it's a lot easier to grow on Instagram. To do this, what you want to do is to go to other content related to your niche and leave meaningful comments and like those pictures. Reply to people's questions in the comment sections of other people's content. These people will notice that you've taken the time out of your day to interact with them and answer their questions, and they might even check out your profile. Now, because you interacted with someone who's already following an influencer within your niche, when they check out your profile and see that you're in the same niche as them, it's a lot more likely that they're going to like your content and hit that follow button. Building relationships is one of the best ways to achieve a loyal following on Instagram. Now another big thing is within your niche is collaborating with other influencers who are in the same niche as you. This is why having a niche is so important. If you have a couple thousand followers on Instagram and you collaborate with someone in the same niche as you who has maybe 5,000 followers on Instagram, it's very likely that these people are going to come and follow you after you've done that collaboration. And this is why having a niche is so important, because other influencers on Instagram will be a lot more willing to share your content because it's related to what they're all about. If they enjoy your content, they're a lot more likely to share it. And for all the people sending me messages telling me that they don't have a niche, find one. Your niche can be anything. It can be food, like you can track your diet progress. It could be starting your business. There are hundreds and hundreds of different niches. So just be creative and come up with a niche, and it will allow you to grow on Instagram. So that's the video for today, guys. Let me know in the comment section what niche you're in. If you enjoyed this video, hit the like button. Don't forget to subscribe. And again, thanks for watching, guys. Peace out.
It's just another Hollywood weekend.